And so I was here on my 75th birthday, and my kids had a party for me and invited people from California and Michigan and Washington and different places. So we had about 175 people come to my 75th birthday party. And on the birthday invitation, they put out a piece that I had written prior to that, and it's called "Let There Be Light." God said, "Let there be light." He put me in a garden, and I spent my time lusting for what I didn't have. He asked me about my brother, and I refused to be his keeper. He gave me a rainbow, and I looked for a pot of gold. He offered me a land that flowed with milk and honey, but I was afraid of the neighbors. He made me a merchant and asked me to share his portion of the profits with the widows and orphans. I kept it all to myself. Then one day I felt a gentle hand anoint my eyes with moist clay. The film fell from my eyes, and I let there be light. And there is light. Start the meeting without me. I have a sunset to watch. There's a woods waiting for me to make a path. There's a cup of cold water to be dipped and shared. There's a light to be lit. There's a song to be sung, a laugh to be shared, a walk to be taken, a window to be opened, a nail to be driven, a life to be lived, a friend to be hugged, a meal to be shared, a race to be run. There is light to be let. He said, "Let there be light," and there is light.